What's going on, everybody? Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. For those of you that do not know me, my name is Hunter and welcome. For those of you that do, this is one of the craziest RVs that I have ever seen. This is one of those floor plans that I think people are going to absolutely just love or simply just walk past it immediately. It is definitely kind of polarizing. It has one of the largest islands I've ever seen. It's freaking bonkers. I can't wait to see what your guys' feedback is. Drop that in the comments. Today I'm down at Keystone RV again, where they laid out 36 different units for me. So there's going to be a ton of good stuff coming out. Now this one in particular is the 2025 Sprinter 3210 RLS. So it's going to be rear living slide, something around that nature. I think that's what that S stands for. But really cool setup, a desk in the back, a desk up in the front closet, which I'm not sure quite how I feel about it yet. But all the specifications, length, height, tank sizes, awning sizes will be down in the description, along with a link to where you can access some pricing on this, with various locations. So the Sprinter, if you're not too familiar with it, it is going to be kind of like that upper middle road, I would say, where they have extremely well put together units, but they're not going bonkers with dropping extra money like on the countertops. Like these are like a hard wrap plastic. Absolutely love it. Durable, easy to clean, kind of kid friendly. Babe, if you're watching, I love you. But it also doesn't add, a ton of weight. Now I didn't know where to put those chairs. Those can kind of float around. They're sitting on the couch. But look at this freaking island. This thing is huge. It is big, it's wide. The Sprinter is also a wide body construction, so 101 inches wide. Pretty darn incredible there. A ton of storage as you go along through. But the reason why I'm walking down to here is because you actually have an extension that you could pull up to make this thing even bigger. I mean, talk about having some buddies over and playing some card games, maybe playing some like Pong or something like that. Just a really good kind of have some guests over, have the grandkids over, entertaining. I could use this as almost like a third desk. Plop a chair there, get snapping away on some emails, on some editing, doing your thing. Sorry, I was kind of fixated on the... But it's also easy to put down. You can, right here, there's some latches. You just click. And even with one hand on the camera, it's just nice. And it doesn't fall down super fast there. So really, really cool setup there. Curious to see what your thoughts. You got a little indentation over here where you can put things like chairs or stand up. But I mean, talk about an entertainer's dream. But you're also going to get not only that, but a lot of other space. I mean, you got your entertainment and your cooking slide over here. You have your seating slide over here with a desk. Notice the massive windows because you have really nice, tall, high, deep slides. I mean, I'm 6 feet tall and getting into here, I'm going to say probably maybe 6'2", 6'3", or so for the head height. But they all open up and they're all going to be tinted. And then they come with some shades here as well, so you can stop the old skin from sizzling, keep some nosy eyes out. Power tower on the desk, to plug in maybe like your laptop or your desktop. You also have plenty of storage over here on the right. And then kind of like your office setup right here on the left, where you can put, all your other little, your knickknacks. Oh, I just spotted another little outlet right there, so that's pretty cool for charging up like a cell phone. But what do you guys think about the RV with the desk? They're starting to get a little bit more popular. I think this one in particular is super conducive to someone that works on a road. But I love the desk being out here. The desk in the closet, I'm still kind of shaky on. I'm curious to see what you think. I don't know if that's a miss or if it hits. I don't know. Some people. The recliners, these are the kind that are going to be super comfy, where they're firm on your butt and then squishy on your back, so that perfect combo. They're the manual recliners, so you pull the string and then you can go all the way down to about like that kind of pitch. So you can really take a good snoozer for sure. Like if I'm sleeping here as the guest, I'm probably sleeping in the recliners more so than the pull-out couch. Charging station, 2 cup holders, place to put your books or your remotes. Pull-out sofa here in the back with countertops on either side. Again, good windows, emergency exit, so pull, push, and plop. Get yourself out in a hurry. And then you also have plenty of storage right there. It's a little bit tall. I'm 6 feet, kind of reaching up there. My wife would probably struggle with that a little bit, so I'd put some like blankets or like stuff that you can grab and like rip out there. I think that'd be a good place for that. I don't know if I pointed it out, but you do have outlets, cubbies, and then you swing it around directly across from your recliner. You're good. Now let's see, actually, does this block the view? This is pulled. See, this, I would almost leave that out all the time. It doesn't block the view. I actually like how this desk is so close because now I'm resting my arm on it. I think that is actually a good feature for somebody like me. I'm a big arm up guy, big arm up guy. I'm also a big lighting structure guy, and I like those saucers right there. But you got the TV, it's on a swivel, so you can angle it, you know, over here more towards the middle. If you got a ton of people over, you know, watching the games, you got playoff football coming up here soon. Or if you're just laying down on the couch, you can angle it however you want. It's also got Bluetooth speakers, so zone O, A, and B, or TV to connect up to, which the speakers are right up here, along with your Coleman Mach AC. So I believe this unit has two 15K AC, so if you're down in like, you know, like Texas or something like that with the construction quality of the Sprinter, you know, you should be okay. Maybe not for the super stupid hot days, but 99% of it, you'll be just fine. You also have your mirrored reflective finish right there. Bada bing, bada boom. Keep it going. You're going to have, you know, your cooking and a bunch of storage. I didn't show this, did I? There you go. Kind of more of the same there on the right. Residential Furrion microwave with the old potato mode, potato and beverage. You know, warm yourself up a nice smoking hot Dr. Pepper. And then you got yourself a little power tower right over here. And then the 3 stovetop burner to whip up all the fixins and enough room to cook up a chicken. Storage will be the same on the right as well. And then right over here, your island packed with storage because this thing is massive. And I believe they said this might be washer dryer prepped too, so I'll have to double check on that. Pull out drawers. Another one of these little hampers. I don't know, this is like a hamper. I don't know how you'd put a trash bag in that for trash. So I'm curious about that. If somebody's used one, please comment on that because I'm so curious about it. Stainless steel undermounted bowl with the high-rise faucet. Hitting those dishes from all angles. And then, of course, you have your clean-cut storage. It's got a shelf, access to your plumbing there. Flip it around, your big boy 12-volt refrigerator with freezer on the left, refrigerator on the right. And then, I haven't opened up this yet, but looks like some pretty good, yeah. Oh yeah. Deep pantry, baby. You know, if you wanted to, you could also like take out these shelves, make it like hanging on the top, dry food on the bottom too, depending on how you're using the camper. I think that would be nice. I also enjoy how they went with the strip lighting. And I don't think I pointed it out, but you got the fantastic fan right there, the old Steam Sucker 3000 to help you clean up, you know, whatever you're cooking, help circulate some of that air. I almost said succulate. You can succulate some of the air out of your RV. The friendly octopus guys, you know, hang a hoodie on me, and you're good to go. You also got a little stool right there. I imagine maybe for like tying up a shoe. Other than that, maybe like I got a 3-year-old, it'd be a good little seat for her, I guess. It's pretty low. You also have your fuse box right there, floating steps with a night light, grab handle heading up on in, and then your old school control panel. Love to see it. Love to see it. Nothing goes wrong with these things. You also have your max air fan. You get your lighting system on the dimmer, so that way you can set the mood with honey bun or leave it like that at night to come out with like a little midnight snack. You're going to have your window right here, just to, nothing more than just some extra light to see out. You can also see it's really nice and tinted, but it's cool to have it, you know, other than just a wall. Start feeling a little claustrophobic. Into the bathroom. They continued the strip light there. Have not seen that before. That's pretty nice to have that light in the shower like that going all the way through. But towels and all that can go over on your left. Porcelain foot flush throne on an angle, baby. All right, so the roundies out there in the world, you'll be happy. We are fitting in here just fine. So that is definitely going to be, you know, nice to have. You also have this pull-out curtain, which is nice. I haven't actually used one before, but I imagine you're going to have less problems with it. And it's, it seems like it's pretty darn easy to keep clean. Probably up in the shower. Let's see here. I'm just thinking about 6'5". Yeah, 6'5", 6'6" for the shower head. It's also got the tankless on-demand hot water heater. So as long as you have propane, you have instant hot water, which is nice. You got a mirror for a bowling gun, baby. That's going to be the control, that's going to be your outlet. Plumbing, 3 pull-out drawers. Nothing too else to say there, but you got enough countertop space for all your toothbrushes and whatnot. And then you're heading up into the bathroom, or into the bedroom, sorry, where you're going to see it looks like you got yourself a king bed, retractable shelving on either side, windows on both sides, along with USB and universal C. And then you have some outlets over there too as well, and you even got dimmers for the bedroom, which is nice. socks and boxers. You also got a place where you can hang up a TV. The other window right there. And then you got yourself washer and dryer with all the appropriate plugins, you know, that you need there. That's that other desk I was talking about. I don't know how I feel about that. I mean, the chairs don't even fit up there. I'm assuming you take those chairs and head... Oh my God, I'm an idiot. It's not a second desk, you ding-dong. Those are just the chairs. They just place them there. It's just a shelf for your... Well, you know what? They hire me because I'm friendly, so I don't know. It's whatever. I would use it as a second desk. It's the second desk for a mini person. But what do you guys think about that thing? All right, guys. So again, this is the 2025 Sprinter 3210 RLS. The RV with the desk and a half and the biggest island in the world. So now we are here on the outside. All the specifications, length, height, tank sizes, awning sizes will be down in the description. You're going to have automatic electric auto leveling. You're also going to get your marine grade exterior speakers, 2 big old awnings right there, along with your solar panel up top. But I like the way that you got a ton of storage into here with the lighting. And also notice how it's aluminum frame construction, welded at all points with your key TV and your outlets. You got a wind resistant door. You also have the steps that flip up into the doorway and an extra large grab handle there too as well. You're also going to get your premium radial tire, so definitely take a pause and read on that, maybe scan there for some added information. But that'll be down in the description there for you. The Solera 3000 series for the awning, so that'll run off of the solar if you need it in a pinch. If you're boondocking, you can definitely power up your battery a little bit and kick those things out. You also have the Lippert on-the-go ladder system, so that way you can hop up on top of your roof, check your seals, check your slides, and you will be ready to roll. And then right here is going to be your 50 amp connection plug-in. You are eligible for a slide topper here on this side. So both of these slides right there to there, that's a piece of awning that prevents debris from falling on top of your unit. Heated and enclosed underbelly for you. You got your dump station is going to be right here. Back end of that hot water heater. And then the other side there of that pass-through storage. And then right here is going to be your electric auto leveling controls. Up in the front, you should have you got your spare tire and then all of your storage there. But all right, guys, drop some comments. Let me know what you think. Again, this is the 2025 Sprinter 3210 RLS. Hope to see you next time. Have a great day. See you.